Hey, darling, this is Faith Hunter, and welcome to The Shift, your midweek moment to pause, reframe, and rise. In the next few minutes, I'll blend research with soul so you can leave grounded, motivated, and aligned with who you're becoming. You've been journaling your dreams, writing all the affirmations, saying them in the mirror, and even building those vision boards. But nothing seems to land. It's not because your dreams are too big. It's because your body is still in survival mode. And survival mode doesn't make space for manifestation. Neuroscience, once again, you know I'm all about the neuroscience. Neuroscience shows that when your nervous system is in fight, flight, or freeze, the prefrontal cortex, that part of the brain that imagines possibilities, goes offline. I'm not sure if you knew that, but that's the nerd in me. Your body actually starts to reroute its energy away from your beautiful vision, and it slips into what? Protection mode. That's why even if your mind says, I want abundance, your body whispers, I'm not safe. In fact, studies in psychology confirm that chronic stress and trauma responses block creativity, long term planning, and your ability to feel worthy of receiving. Your nervous system isn't sabotaging you, it's actually protecting you. But that protection can feel like a wall between you and your desires. Your manifestations aren't blocked because you're unworthy. They are blocked because your body hasn't been reminded that it is safe. Safety is the soil where dreams grow. Without safety, your affirmations are just words floating in the air. When you feel safe, your intentions take root. This is why nervous system healing is actually manifestation work. When you regulate your breath, soften your body, and create calm inside, you open the door to receiving. Manifestation isn't about pushing harder. It's about creating the safety to expand. Think about it like this. You cannot plant seeds in frozen ground, no matter how much you water and how many times you speak life into that soil. If it's frozen, nothing is going to grow. Survival mode is frozen ground. But when you soften the soil with rest, with breath, with rituals of safety, suddenly the earth opens and the seeds of your visions can take root. That is how manifestation moves from stuck to flowing beautifully. I want you to whisper with me. I am safe to receive. I am safe to expand into my dreams. Let's do that again. I am safe to receive. I am safe to expand into my dreams. All right, take a deep breath in, exhale. And I want you to feel all of that energy move through your body like warm sunlight melting the frozen soil. All right, darling, let that land wherever you need it most. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more of my midweek shifts. And of course, stay soft, stay grounded, and always stay spiritually fly.